During my son's custody hearing, my wife's lawyer spoke to the judge with confidence and precision, as if every word had been rehearsed 100 times. He painted a picture of her as the perfect mother, nurturing, stable, and wholly dedicated to our child. I sat there silently, watching the narrative unfold, knowing that half of what was said was exaggerated or entirely untrue. My heart pounded not because of what I heard, but because of what I feared losing, my connection with my son. The courtroom was cold, both in temperature and in emotion. My lawyer tried to present my side calmly, but it felt like we were already on the back foot. They brought up my long work hours, my recent move to a smaller apartment, and even my quiet personality as reasons why I wasn't the better option. I wanted to stand up and say, none of that means I love my son any less. But I had to stay composed. Any emotional outburst could be used against me. I remembered the nights my son cried in my arms after my wife and I separated. He didn't understand why we couldn't all be together anymore. I promised him, no matter what happened, I'd always be there. Yet now, as the hearing progressed, that promise felt threatened. The judge listened carefully, occasionally nodding, occasionally writing something down, but giving nothing away through expression. Then came my turn to speak. I took a deep breath and looked the judge in the eye. I didn't talk about my wife's flaws or argue against her capability. Instead, I spoke about my bond with my son, how we raid together, cooked together, and how he called me his safe place, admitted my mistakes but made it clear that my love and commitment had never wavered. For the first time in the hearing, the room felt still, like maybe, just maybe, my words had reached someone's heart. After both sides rested, the judge said she needed time to make a decision. Those were the longest days of my life. I didn't sleep much. I kept picturing my son's face, wondering how he would react if the decision didn't go in my favor. Would he think I gave up on him? Would he feel abandoned? Finally, the day of the verdict arrived. As the judge spoke, I braced myself. She acknowledged the strengths and weaknesses of both parents, then said something I'll never forget. In the best interest of the child, shared custody will be granted. Relief washed over me. I wouldn't lose my son. I wouldn't have to break my promise. And in that moment, I knew no courtroom, no lawyer, no decision could ever truly define the love between a father and his child.